Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add WordPress widgets to your website. First, you'll need to log into your dashboard and click on Appearance. From there, click on Widgets. Your widgets will be displayed to your left, while your widget areas will be located to the right of the screen. Simply click on the desired widget, drag it to the widget area and drop it. The other way to add widgets in this panel is to click on the widget itself, which will open a drop-down menu with all the available widget areas. Select an area and click on the Add Widget button. Your widget will now appear in the selected area. Whichever of these methods you pick, you can drag widgets through the widget area to rearrange their position anytime you want. If you want to remove a widget, click on the little arrow next to the widget name. This will open a card with options for that widget, and in the left corner you will see the Delete option. Here you can also add the title for a widget or find additional options, for example the number of posts you wish to display, and so on. To make this area appear tidier, you can close widget cards or even the cards for the entire widget area by clicking again on the arrow next to the name of the widget or widget area you want to edit. Some users find it easier to add their widgets through the accessibility mode. If this is what you prefer, click on the Screen Options card in the top right corner of your screen. Next, click on Enable Accessibility mode. You will now have the Add option next to each of your widgets as well as the Edit option next to your widget areas. Clicking on Add will take you to this screen. Here you have all the widget options displayed together with the widget area you wish to add to, as well as its position. Once you've set everything the way you want it, click on the Save Widget button. You will be redirected back to the widget panel where your new widget will appear. To exit the accessibility mode, click on the Screen Options card again and click Disable Accessibility mode. You can also add widgets through the Customize option. Go to Appearance and click on Customize. This will open a list of your widget areas. Click on the widget you want to edit. You will see the list of widgets that you have already added. To add a new one, simply click on Add a Widget. On the right side of the screen you will see a panel with available widgets. You can type the name of the widget in the search box, or you can scroll down until you find the one you wish to add. Once you found the widget, just click on it and it will be added to your widget area. Here you can edit the widget you just added. To rearrange widgets, click on Reorder. You can now move the widgets up and down by clicking on these tiny arrows. You can also move them to another widget area. Once you've finished rearranging your widgets, click on Done. If you need to go back to edit more widget areas, click on the arrow pointing to the left next to the widget area name. After you've finished editing all the widget areas, click on Publish in the top right corner. All the changes you have made will become visible on your live website. In case you need to go back to your backend editor in this tab, just click on the X button in the top left corner. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.